the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is boom 1000. This had been an uptrend right from this right support zone, and of course got to this region, played around there for a while before breaking out above it. Got to this resistance zone at the pullback, but went back up to break out above it. It has got into this resistance zone, and of course it is selling at the moment. Okay, once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely we expect it to get to this spot, to this particular spot. Okay, we expect it to get to this particular spot, and if it breaks out from here, then it should sell more. So we expect more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course we got the downtrend signal and of course the sell signal, and it sold till it got to this particular support zone, and right from there it started an uptrend. So we are most likely to experience more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, since it is not breaking out below the support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It had been on downtrend, got to this support zone, and of course it is playing around the support zone, and it has not been able to break out below it. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back fully into an uptrend. Okay, so you should wait for that to happen. Once it breaks out above this, it will buy what. Once it goes below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. This is still selling. It might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below this support zone. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. It was on downtrend before, but after getting to this place, it started an uptrend, and of course it is buying at the moment. However, it is approaching this resistance, and if it breaks out above this, then it should be getting to this spot. Okay, we should take note of that. This is buying at the moment. Okay, lastly is going to be volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75. It was on uptrend before, but it has gotten to this resistance zone, and as you can see, this is forming a N, and of course this is going to be selling for now. I expect it to get to this spot. If it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. I will be stopping right there. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Thank you.